All right, Dr. Huebner, I'm here with Pedro. Pedro is here. He was nice enough to do a surgery day video over a year ago. And as you can see, he's back. I didn't actually recognize him when he came in for two reasons. Number one, he cut his hair.
Yeah.
And number two, he doesn't have that big recession that he had last time. And so I wanted to talk to you, Pedro. How do you feel about the process? And then how do you feel about your results up to this point?
So the day of the surgery, it was smooth. I was worried about maybe the process would be kind of difficult because the thing you were explaining, and then looking at the list of all the things that I got to take care of. But that first month, smooth. The process was very smooth, and after that, I remember you saying when the hair start coming out, relax, don't worry, it's normal.
That's right. Yeah.
And so at first I was like, oh my God, it's all coming out. And then after like the first 3 months, all started growing, and
yeah,
I love it. I love it.
Yeah.
Great results.
So when you first do the surgery, you look like Frankenstein for about 2 weeks,
yeah,
right? So
exactly.
you're usually wearing a hat for a couple weeks.
Mm-hmm.
And then, as we warned you, all of the little scabs come out, all the little hairs that we put in fall out. So we can save you some anxiety knowing that.
Yeah.
But, and then the new hair starts growing around 4 months. But I'll put some before pictures up there. You can really see, I'm going to just kind of pan up here. He had some huge recessions before, and look at the difference between the left side and the right side of the screen here. It's going to be, so he went from basically 0 to about 35% in those areas. Now today, he's actually back. Now if he never had another procedure at this point, home run, he's good. But you can see how much it changes your life. And now if we can double up those areas, you're going to essentially have perfect hair in these areas. So he decides today he's going to actually have a second procedure to really hit those areas hard. We call it a second coat of paint, to go from 35 to 70% in those areas. So has one scar in the back. You can see, actually, I'll turn him around here for the scar so you can kind of see. He has his hair fairly short. It's probably around a 3 guard maybe at this point. So you can see the scar or lack of scar, if you would. And today we're actually going to take out the original scar, and he's going to be having just one scar. So we're not adding any new scar tissue for this procedure. So thanks again, Pedro, for showing your results, and thanks for letting us have a sneak peek on your day today on your second procedure. This is helping people through their journey. So I appreciate everything you're doing.
I appreciate you. Thank you.
Awesome. Pedro, how was your day today, man?
Good, great.
We just finished up putting in the grafts, and you can see, let's kind of show off your work here. Doubled up.
Painless too.
Good, man. Awesome. And this is without Valium, this is without nitrous, this is like nothing. So we didn't have any help, so awesome. So we're going to get some lunch, and then we're going to go over the post-op instructions and all of that. So thanks for sharing your journey. Yeah, thank you.